Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. We got something new today. We are going to meet up with Amanda Zitto from As the Magpie Flies. She's hosting a Pack It Out cleanup day. A bunch of us are joining up to clean up Jones Creek day use area in the Tillamook Forest. You know, humans are good for leaving trash everywhere, and we like to use these places while we're out and about, so we're going to do our part to help clean them up. I know we're getting Circus Bear, we're getting the Old Friends New Roads gang, we got As the Magpie Flies, I believe a Dork in the Road's going to join us, as well as Beards, Bikes, and Camping. Looking forward to meeting those folks and hanging out, and hopefully, if we clean up enough, we can do some riding. Yeah, let's go.
But while we're waiting for Amanda, we just met Dork in the Road. Hey, hey.
I'm here. I exist.
Camera on camera.
In the wild shot.
There we go. We're all here. Yeah, where's the
This is cool, man. We made it. Amanda's not here yet.
To make videos about her. Look at her, just greeting her people like Princess Diana.
Showed up to her own
Neutral.
Looks like we got the whole crew showing up. We got Amanda. Woo! She made it.
And if get finished like much earlier than anticipated, which I kind of feel like we're going to, then we might take a little ride up Triangulation Point. It's very easy. It's all gravel roads. There's no like, it's not a dirt bike trail, is what I mean. Does everybody get that? Yeah? Cool, cool. Awesome. Yay! OnX Off-Road was nice enough to bring us trash bags and gloves and goodies and water. So if you get dehydrated, let us know. We have water for you. I hope that you came semi-prepared with water, but I won't judge you otherwise. Cool?
Cool. Super cool.
Yay, garbage.
Met some cool folks today. A little bummed we're gonna be the assholes not riding the dirt road afterwards, but we will pick up the most garbage.
Oh, for sure.
Super competitive. We have to come back with the most trash, John.
Okay.
All right.
Done.
If we find a tire out here,
It's going in my bag.
it's going in the bag. Man, it's been cool already. It's interesting seeing these faces
After watching them.
them on YouTube, you know, it's cool.
We're passing all the garbage.
Kate said we're bad at it. Damn it. I found a diaper.
Did you pick it up?
Sorry about the camera shot. I am working. A lot of cigarette butts, you fuckers. Especially with like forest fires being just shutting shit down. You guys are throwing cigarettes out still. Well, wrecked the drone again. Looks pretty good though. Tumbled down the tree. I think it was on record while it did it. But then I flew it again. DJI, fucking solid product, dude. Still flying.
Kickers, so not everybody had to bend over. That's really nice. But we have, I'm very proud of us. We picked over this area pretty clean.
Yeah.
Including Dork and I and, oh my gosh, I just forgot his name. He's not here. Where is he?
Abel.
Abel.
Circus Bear Moto.
Circus around our hands and knees and picked up a lot of confetti.
Yeah, he's still over there, I think, actually.
Is he still over there?
Shout out for Circus Bear Moto, because he's
Circus
working
Bear.
after everyone else right now.
Thank you guys so much for coming.
Thanks for organizing.
Ah, that's cool.
We're gonna go.
Let's see it through.
There's Circus Bear Moto.
He's gonna be
Doing the effort for everybody. That extra run.